Hello friends, so today we'll be discussing about the Indian system of counting time and the tithis. So in English system, which is nowadays followed universally also for all the official purpose, we count the time by solar system, but in Indian system the tithis and time are counted by the movement of moon. So we have two paksh. A paksh is a period of 15 days. So we have Shukla paksh, in which our moon increases in size, you can say. And there is Krishna paksh. Krishna means bit dark in color. So Krishna paksh, the moon will decrease in size and it will start becoming dark. So the first tithi is Prathama. Prathama means one in Sanskrit. So Shukla paksh Prathama, the moon is very small. Then we have Dvitiya of Shukla paksh, in which moon increases in size. Then we have Tritiya, which means 3 in Sanskrit. Then we have Chaturthi, which means 4 of Sanskrit. Then we have Panchami, which means 5 of Sanskrit. Then we have Shashti, which is 6 of Sanskrit. Then we have Saptami, which is 7 of Sanskrit. Then we have Ashtami, which is 8 of Sanskrit. So on Shukla paksh Ashtami we have reached, and we have half moon right now, because 8 is between mid number of 15. If we calculate the mean of 15, then it will be 8. Then we have Navami of Shukla paksh, which is 9 of Sanskrit. Then we have Dashami, which is 10 of Sanskrit. Then we have Ekadashi, which is 11 of Sanskrit, which is considered very pure, and Vishnu Bhagwan's devotees keep fast on Ekadashis. Then we have Dwadashi of Shukla paksh. Then we have Trayodashi of Shukla paksh. Then we have Chaturdashi of Shukla paksh. Then we have Purnima of Shukla paksh, on which we see the full moon. So the full circle bright moon is visible on Purnima. On Purnima, in many parts of India, we do Satyanarayan Bhagwan Puja. And now starts, after this Purnima, now starts the Krishna paksh, where the moon keeps on becoming darker, that is smaller. The bright portion will become smaller in this. So then we have Prathama of Krishna paksh, in which the moon is the bit smaller than Purnima, and it is almost the same size as Chaturdashi of Shukla paksh. So now we have reached the Krishna paksh Prathama. Then we reach Krishna paksh Dvitiya. Moon has still decreased in size. Then Tritiya, which is 3 of Sanskrit, it is still decreasing in size. Then we have Chaturthi, which is of Krishna paksh. The moon is still decreasing in size. So it is believed in our religion that on Chaturthi we should not see the moon. Then we have Panchami. The moon is still decreasing in size. It's the 5th day of Krishna paksh. Then we have Shashti, which is the 6th day of Krishna paksh. Then we have Saptami. Then we have Ashtami, which is the 8th day of Krishna paksh. So Ashtami of Krishna paksh and Shukla paksh are having exactly half moon, so which is exactly same size of the moons. Then we have Navami of Krishna paksh. Moon is still decreasing in size. Then we have Dashami of Krishna paksh, which is 10 of Sanskrit. Then we have Ekadashi of Krishna paksh. So Ekadashi of Krishna paksh is exactly 15 days after the Ekadashi of Shukla paksh. So 15 tithis later, this Ekadashi comes, and here also Vishnu Bhagavan's devotees keep fast. And then we have Dvadashi of Krishna Paksh, the moon is still decreasing in size. Then we have Trayodashi of Krishna Paksh, then we have Chaturdashi of Krishna Paksh, and then we have Amavasya, which is the 15th and the last day of Krishna Paksh. Here the moon has totally disappeared and it's totally dark. So we have only stars in the sky, and if there are no clouds, etc., then we can see and observe the stars very clearly in our solar system, and other stars as well, like the Saptrishi Mandal, Akash Ganga, etc. also we can observe. So that is the best day if you want to do some astronomical observations. And after the Krishna Paksh Amavasya, again Shukla Paksh starts. So it will be Prathama of Shukla Paksh after that, and then Dvitiya, and then Tritiya, and so on. Then again Krishna Paksh will go on, then Shukla Paksh, then Krishna Paksh. So this is how the Krishna Paksh and Shukla Paksh times are counted in Indian system of counting. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you, friends.